Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to spot users who are dropping off in your funnel and bring them back with a targeted push notification, all inside the Datoroid platform. Let's get into it. So here, I have a 5-step funnel built around an onboarding flow. It tracks how new users move through each stage of the onboarding process. And as you can see, there's a pretty noticeable drop-off between step 1 and step 2, meaning a good chunk of users are leaving the flow right at the start. That's exactly where we want to step in. To target those users, I'll click on the light blue section that represents the drop-off between these two steps. When I do, I get the option to create an audience directly from this segment. Let me go ahead and click that. Datoroid automatically takes me to the Users and Target Audiences section. What's great here is that the platform has already applied the right filters for me, so there's no need to manually set anything up. All I have to do is hit the Save Audience button. And just like that, my audience is created and ready to go. Next up, I'll set up a push notification scenario to re-engage these users. Now, we won't walk through the full push configuration in this video, but it's a pretty straightforward process. You can define your target audience, set your schedule, configure your goal, write your message, and choose your actions, all from within the Datoroid panel. It's a smooth ride from start to finish. And that's really all there is to it, from spotting a drop-off in your funnel, to building an audience, to reaching those users with a push notification in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.